It's a certified 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLE. It's the dictionary definition of a premium SUV. In it, you'll get lasting luxury and constant capability. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual-zone climate control, automated parking sensors, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, power tilting steering column, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and intercooled turbo i6 engine. Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard and driving forward. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,